Hiya guys, True Preview here. Today I'm reviewing the Tonor Q9 USB condenser microphone kit currently sold on Amazon for £56.99. To demonstrate the performance and quality of the microphone, this voiceover was recorded with the Tonor Q9. Please note that the audio was recorded at a 48 kHz 16-bit sample rate and has not been enhanced in any way. The microphone kit includes the following: a Tonor Q9 condenser microphone, a metal shock mount, an adjustable suspension stand, a desk clamp, a pop filter, a foam cover, a 1.8 meter USB cable, and a user manual. My first impression of the kit was good, as the microphone and accessories look and feel as if they are robust and well made. I was particularly impressed with the adjustable mic stand, which offers a wide range of movement and versatility. The user manual contains all of the basic information required to get started. The microphone itself is extremely easy and intuitive to use. Simply connect the microphone to your laptop using the USB cable provided, wait a few moments for the drivers to install, and you are ready. Once plugged in, a blue LED positioned on the front of the microphone will illuminate, indicating that the microphone is connected. The microphone is compatible with both Mac and Windows computers and is also compatible with the PS4. To record audio on your computer, I recommend downloading a free software package such as Audacity to record and edit your audio, as this enables you to select your desired sample rate and regulate gain control. The Tonor Q9 is equipped with a 16mm diaphragm and boasts a wide frequency response from 20Hz to 20 kHz. The cardioid condenser capsule provides a unidirectional polar pattern, where the microphone is most sensitive to sounds coming from the front of the mic and least sensitive to sounds coming from behind. The cardioid pattern offers very good feedback rejection from background noise, which makes it ideal for recording voiceovers, instruments, or singing. It is recommended that a pop filter is positioned in front of the microphone when recording vocals to eliminate popping sounds caused by the mechanical impact of fast-moving air on the microphone. Furthermore, it is recommended that the foam cover is used when using the microphone outside to protect the microphone against wind interference. There is a button on the front of the microphone that can be used to adjust the output volume, and can also be used to turn the microphone off with a 3-second long press. Having tested the microphone, I feel that it provides a good level of clarity, warmth and dynamic range. Considering the £56.99 price tag, I feel that the Tonor Q9 microphone is good value for money. I hope this review and the sample audio of the Tonor Q9 has been helpful. Thank you for taking the time to watch my review. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Have a great day.